Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. I'm Dan Murphy, and today on Talk Tech to Me, what if you could offload all your tedious coding tasks like fixing bugs, updating dependencies, documenting code, all of that to an AI agent? No, I'm not talking about some autocomplete tool. I'm talking about a true asynchronous teammate that handles the entire task for you from start to finish. Today we're going to take a deep dive into Google Jules, the autonomous AI coding agent that's about to change your workload forever. And guess what? It's absolutely free. So let's get into it. So what is Google Jules? It is an asynchronous agentic coding assistant. It's not some kind of co-pilot. It is a full-fledged agent that can handle complex multi-step reasoning tasks. It's completely autonomous, so it understands your intent and it executes these tasks without your consent or without human input. It is built on the Gemini 2.5 latest model as of September 2025. It's also asynchronous, so it runs in the background, and so you don't need to continuously monitor it. Actually, it keeps your tasks open for days or weeks at a time, and it sort of waits for your next input then as well. And it can run maybe up to 3 to 15, depending on your plan, at any one time then as well. It's fully integrated with GitHub then as well, so you point it at your GitHub directory, and it can fully understand everything that's in that directory then as well. Its overall level of comprehension is a class above everything else. How it does this by doing what's known as a workflow. So a workflow starts by you connecting it to your GitHub repository then as well. It can see all your GitHub repos then as well. You select one of them and then you give it a prompt or you give it a task. So you say add a test for parse query string function to this. It creates a plan then and it shows you the plan. It analyzes the code base, generates a plan and shows you a list of actions that it's going to take. And then it's up for you to review and approve that plan as well. And if you're happy with that plan, it goes off and executes it. So in the background, in GCP infrastructure, it will spin up a secure cloud VM then as well. And within this VM, it has the processing power to actually execute what you requested it to do then as well. After it has that done, it's going to create a pull request onto the GitHub repo then as well to implement the changes and make them live. It does this all for you with minimum input from yourself. So let's bring this to life with a demo. So first things first, go to jules.google.com and you'll be presented with this page. Create an account, sign in. If you're like me, use your Gmail for everything. It's just automatically signing in using your Google profile. Next thing you're going to have to do is you're going to have to connect it to your GitHub profile then as well. I use my Google account to authenticate into GitHub then as well. So again, it was single sign on. It took about 20 seconds to get up and running then as well. And from here, on the main page, you see this bar along the top. It's essentially a drop down of every one of your GitHub repositories then as well. For today, I'm going to be using randomat.main, and you can actually specify which branch you want to do it on. Do it on my main branch. Typical Google, everything looks very slick, very similar, very simplistic layout then as well. So I'm going to give this thing a task. I wanted to check for errors on that site then as well, and hit create plan. So yeah, this will take a few minutes. While it's doing that, I'm going to talk briefly about the pricing options for Jules. So I am on the Pro plan with Google AI, which gives me access to the later models then as well. And included with that, I get 100 daily requests and 15 concurrent tasks. That's crazy, like 15 tasks running at any one time on a daily basis then as well. With the free tier, you get 15 requests a day and can run 3 concurrent tasks. But just imagine that, say you've built an application and you want to, build a number of unit tests, you want to document your code, you want to check and fix a bunch of errors then as well. You can kick off 3 of them at any one time and run 15 of those throughout the course of a day. So this isn't designed to replace your cursors and your win surface and those kind of things. This is designed to do a lot of the monotonous, drudgery kind of code work that any developer really just does not want to do. Now, let's see how we're getting on. Oh, it's still having a good think about that. Oh, it's booting up a VM. And yes, it's come up with a plan here for me. So install dependencies. I will install Python package files from the requirements folder. Must be missing that. Run the application. Excellent. This is a Python-based application I have as well. Manually test the application. Access the pages. Obvious error checking. Link in the code. Excellent. And report bugs. Yes, so I'm happy with that. And I'm going to approve the plan. And off it goes. The screen is going to change here. Let's just go back to this plan for a second. If you somehow want to shell out I think it's £120 a month for the Ultra plan then as well, you get 300 a day and 16 current requests, which is absolutely crazy. Probably something that, if you run a business or you're coding a hell of a lot on a daily basis, you might consider. But for me, I use this quite a bit, and the pro plan is more than ample. If not, even the free plan would do here. So here we go, and off, and it's running, and you see it's starting to do stuff as well. This repository is a live repository for a website I built called randommathquestions.com, which is a fun little educational site designed for sort of all ages, sort of primary school, middle school, intermediate school, and sort of a more advanced then as well. And yeah, 2 times 4 is 8. Correct. Next one. Interactive little background, and then it has some number sequences. I know it's 7, 8, 9, 15. Am I right thinking that? Yay. And then like a simplified version of Sudoku then as well, using a 3x3 grid. So yeah, this is a live website, and so yeah, let me see how it's getting on. Oh, we're working away here. Running pip install commands, excellent. I'll run a curl command. Okay, so it is running my website here. It's checking through the different pages. Oh, that is cool. It shows you as it's going along. Tells me it's working. I've completed the error checks. Error checks, your application is running correctly and all pages are accessible. However, I found some issues with application.py. There is non-critical issues. It's good practice. Excellent. Sorry, my camera is in the way. Okay, it's asking to fix these non-critical issues. So yes. Yes, please. Okay. So it has identified a few issues with trailing white space, line too long, missing module functions, uneven argument, unused argument, incorrect import order then as well. So yeah, it's going to go off, fix these issues for me, and then hopefully give me a pull request so I can make this live in one click. Let's see how it gets on. I'll see you in a minute. And so here we are, changes made, and I'm going to hit publish branch, and off it goes. It's going to create a pull request. It's going to deploy that directly into GitHub, which is going to trigger my GCP workflow, which is then going to use the Terraform scripts to actually make the changes live then as well. So one click has kicked off that entire workflow, and all that was built for me by it. And now, just to prove that this actually works, I'm going to click that. It should take me to GitHub. Yes. And show that 49 seconds ago that was deployed. And you can compare your pull requests. And there, yeah, it's been deployed. And that is now live inside my GitHub with one click inside that, and that's done. See if I can check my deployments. Yes. Perfect. On to the conclusion. And so there you have it. That is Google Jules. Who is this for really? Well, it's for developers, it's for teams, it's for even individuals, anybody that wants to automate repetitive coding tasks. What's the problem it solves? Well, it frees up your time. It reduces context switching and handles the grunt work, allowing you to focus on the more high level and creative tasks. Is it a direct competitor to Cursor and Windsurf? No, it's not. It's very much built as a companion application to coders and developers then as well. It's not designed to build massive applications on a range of different languages as well. It's designed to take a lot of the monotony and do a lot of the grunt work for you. So if you want to try Google Jules, it's literally jules.google.com. You should be able to get up and running as long as you have an email address then as well. As always, I've been Dan Murphy. Like and subscribe to my content and my channels. I always love hearing from you all. Have a great day, everyone. Bye-bye.